Hello, these are the solutions to the Intro to Fair Division Skills assignment. Determine whether the following items are continuously divisible or discretely divisible. Remember that the term continuously divisible means that these are items that can be cut up. So continuously divisible items are items that can be cut up. Discretely divisible items are items that cannot be cut up. Now, going through this list, sandwich. So if you're sharing a sandwich, could you cut up a sandwich? Yes, right? So because you can cut up sandwiches, a sandwich would be continuously divisible. I'm just going to write continuous. A guitar. If you want to share a guitar, would you cut it up? Probably not. If you cut up a guitar, it's going to be useless. Guitar, it cannot be cut up, which means it'll be discrete. If you're sharing land, could you cut it up or could you divide it up? A piece of land? Yes. All right, because we can divide it up. Land is considered continuous. What about a boat? If you're sharing a boat, would you cut up a boat? Probably not. So boats, you would not cut up a boat. So because it cannot be cut up, it's considered discrete. Diamond ring. Would you cut up a diamond ring? Probably not. So diamond rings, we don't want to cut up diamond rings. So diamond rings would be discrete. What about cake? If you're sharing a cake, could you cut up a cake? Yeah, we do it all the time, right? So cakes, because we can cut these up, a cake is considered continuous. John and Sansa are given a pizza that costs $39 and is cut into 10 slices. The pizza is half sausage and half anchovies. Part A, what is a fair share for each person? So a fair share is how much pizza does each person deserve in dollar amounts. So this entire pizza is worth $39. And how many people are we sharing this pizza among? We're sharing this between John and Sansa, so 2 people. So we'll take the total value of the pizza, $39, and divide it by however many people we're sharing this between. So we're sharing this between 2 people. So $39 divided by 2. 39 divided by 2 is 19.5. Since this is money, you can think of that as 19.50, so $19.50. So a fair share, so what this means is each person deserves $19.50 worth of pizza. Now, part B, John likes anchovies twice as much as sausage. Sansa likes sausage 4 times as much as anchovies. So each person views the pizza differently, right? So what we want to do now is figure out how much each person values each type of slice. So we have some sausage and some anchovies. So let me label my pizza. We have half sausage and half anchovies. So half sausage, these are S's for sausage. Okay, that's half sausage. The rest are anchovies. I'm going to label with A's. And let me do the same thing for the other pizza. So the left pizza will be John's pizza. The right pizza will be Sansa's pizza. And it's the same pizza. So half sausage and half anchovies. Okay, let's start with John. So John likes anchovies twice as much as sausage. So twice means 2 times. So on my anchovies, I'm going to label that as 2x for 2 times. So my anchovies are 2x because John likes the anchovies twice as much or 2 times as much. And then my sausage will be regular x. And now we're going to do a little bit of algebra. I'm going to add up all the x's around the pizza. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. And then if you don't have a number in front of x, it's considered 1. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So add up all the x's around the pizza, and what do we get? So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 x's all around the pizza equals, so we added x's all around the pizza, that should equal the total value of the entire pizza. What is the total value of the entire pizza? It's not 19.5. 19.5 is how much each person deserves. The entire pizza is worth $39. So we're going to set that equal to 39. Do a little bit of algebra, get the x by itself. So to get the x by itself, I have to get rid of this 15. This 15 is currently multiplying. To undo a multiply, we're going to divide both sides by 15. Left side, 15 divided by 15, that's going to cancel out, leaving just a regular x. On the right side, 39 divided by 15. So 39 divided by 15, 2.6. Okay, and now I can write down the values of each slice in John's eyes. So we have sausage slices, and we have anchovy slices. Okay, the x, 2.6, which slice goes with the x? Which slice did we label as regular x? Okay, so sausages are regular x, okay, and regular x is 2.6. That means that the sausages are worth 2.6 to John. Okay, 2.6 is 2.60, so $2.60 to John. A, anchovies. Our anchovies we labeled as 2x. And what that means is 2 times 2.6. The anchovies are worth 2 times 2.6. And 2 times 2.6 is 5.2. Okay, so to John, each sausage is worth 2.6 and each anchovies is worth 5.2. Okay, these are John's values. We'll do the same thing for Sansa. Sansa likes sausage 4 times as much as anchovies. So on the sausages, I'm going to label those with 4x to mean 4 times. Okay. Anchovies, regular x. And then the same process. We're going to add up all the x's around the pizza and then set it equal to the total value of the entire pizza. So adding up all my x's, so that's going to be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. And then if there's no number in front of the x, it's considered 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, I think it's 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So 25 x's all around the pizza. Set it equal to the entire value of the pizza. So the whole pizza is worth 39. Do a little bit of algebra. Get rid of the 25 to get the x by itself. So to get rid of the 25, we're going to divide both sides by 25. Left side, 25 divided by 25. Those will cancel out, leaving just a regular x. On the right side, 39 divided by 25. 1.56. Okay, so now let's list out the values of each type of slice for Sansa. We have sausage, and we also have anchovies. Okay, X is 1.56. Which slices did we label X? Anchovies were regular X. So anchovies are worth regular X, which is 1.56. Anchovies, 1.56. The sausages we labeled as 4x, so that means 4 times x. So the sausages will be 4 times the x, which is 1.56. Okay, so sausage is 4 times 1.56, 6.24. And these are Sansa's values. So Sansa values sausage 6.24 and anchovies 1.56. Part C. What value would Sansa place on 2 sausage and 3 anchovies? So if we gave Sansa 2 sausage, 3 anchovies, what value would she place on those slices together? So we're going to use Sansa's values because we're talking about Sansa. So 2 sausage. So 2 times, how much does she value each sausage? Sausage is 6.24. So 2 times 6.24 plus 3 anchovies. So 3 times, what's her values of anchovies? 1.56. And then let's do this on a calculator. 2 times 6.24 plus 3 times 1.56. 2 times 6.24 plus 3 times 1.56. 17.16. Okay, what that means is that if we gave Sansa 2 sausage and 3 anchovies, in her eyes, she would have gotten $17.16 worth of pizza, okay, based on her value of the pizza. Part D, would Sansa accept this as a fair share? So, she deserves $19.5 worth of pizza. She only got $17.16. Okay, so she got less than what she thinks she deserves. So she would not accept it. Okay, so she would only accept the pizza, the slices, if it's 19.5 or more. 17.16 is less, so she would definitely not accept this as a fair share. Ryu, Karen, and Dan are given a pizza that costs $78 and is cut into 12 slices. 4 slices are pineapple, 4 slices are beef, and 4 slices are sausage. Part A, what is a fair share for each person? So fair share, again, is how much pizza does each person deserve? So we'll take the total value of the whole pizza, which is $78. And then we're going to divide it by however many people we're sharing this among. So how many people are sharing this pizza? Ryu, Karen, Dan, 3. So we're going to divide this by 3. 78 divided by 3 is 26. And what that means is that each person deserves $26 worth of pizza. Now, each person views the slices differently, right? Because each person has different preferences. So let me label this pizza. This pizza is 4 pineapples, 4 beef, and 4 sausage. So 4 pineapple, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beef, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 4 sausage, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let me label the other pictures also. They'll be labeled exactly the same because we're talking about the same pizza. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we're going to find we're gonna find each person's value of each type of slice. Okay, so let's start with Ryu. So Ryu likes all the slices equally. So all the slices equally means I'm going to label each slice exactly the same. So I'm going to label each slice regular X. Okay, add up all the X's around the pizza. So if there's no number in front of the X, it's considered 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 all the way around the pizza. I think there are 12 X's. So 12X, set it equal to the value of the entire pizza. The value of the entire pizza is what? It's not 26. 26 is each person's fair share. The entire pizza is the 78. So 12X equals 78. Do algebra, get the X by itself. So to get the X by itself, we need to get rid of the 12. The 12 is currently multiplying. To undo and get rid of a multiplication, you do the opposite, which is divide. So we'll divide both sides by 12. 78 divided by 12. 6.5. So actually, I should back up. On the left side, 12 divided by 12 will cancel out, leaving just a regular X. On the right side, 78 divided by 12 was 6.5. And now we can write down a reuse value of each type of slice. So we had some pepperonis, some beef, and some sausage. Okay, we labeled everything X, right? So the values of everything is 6.5. Okay, so they're all 6.5. Okay, and these are reuse values. Next up is Karen. Now Karen likes pineapple twice as much as sausage. Okay, so pineapple twice. Twice meaning 2 times. So I'm going to label all the pineapples 2 times, or 2x. So 2x on the pineapples. She likes beef 3 times as much as sausage. So beef 3 times. So all my beefs will be 3x. So these beefs will be 3x. And then the remaining type of slice, sausage, regular X. Add up all the X's around a pizza. So that's going to be 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. And then these are considered ones, plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So how many is that all the way around? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, that's 8. These 3 are 12. So now we're at 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So 24 X's all around the pizza. Set it equal to the value of the entire pizza, which is the 78. Get the X by itself. So to get the X by itself, we're going to divide both sides by 24 because we're trying to get rid of the 24. Left side, 24 will cancel out, leaving just an X. Right side, 78 divided by 24. $3.25. Okay, and now we can write down Karen's value of each slice. We have some pepperonis, some beef, some sausage. Okay, let's start with the regular X. So which one did we label regular X? Sausages were regular X. Okay, regular X is 3.25. That means my sausages are worth 3.25. Pepperoni, 2x. So pepperoni is valued at 2x. So 2x means 2 times x. So 2 times 3.25. And what is 2 times 3.25? 6.5. And then finally beef. Beef we said was 3x. That means 3 times 3.25. So 3 times 3.25. So 3 times 3.25, 9.75. And these are, oh no, I'm out of ink. These are Karen's. Last person is Dan. So Dan does not eat pineapple. Okay, so that means that he doesn't want the pineapple at all, which means his values on the pineapples are going to be 0. So the pineapples will be 0 for Dan. And then it says he likes sausage 4 times as much as beef. So the sausages will be 4 times, which is 4x. Oh no, I forgot. This one I'm out. So sausage is 4x, which means the remaining slices are worth regular x. Oh no, I'm out of ink also. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Freshly loaded. Where were we? Okay, so our sausages were 4x. Our the remaining slice, which is the beef, were all regular x's. Okay, and now add up all the x's around the pizza. So this will be 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0. Okay, these x's with no number in front, those are considered 1. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay, so that's 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That's 4. These 4 x's are 16. So that will put me at 20 x's total all around the pizza. So 20x all around the pizza. Set it equal to the value of the entire pizza, which we said was 78. Not 26, 78 is the whole pizza. Algebra, get the x by itself. To get the x by itself, I need to get rid of the 20. So to get rid of the 20, divide both sides by 20. Left side, 20 divided by 20 will cancel out, leaving just a regular x. On the right side, 78 divided by 20. 78 divided by 20 is 39. No, I've got the 0 on the 20. 78 divided by 20, 3.9. And now we can write down the values of each slice for Dan. So we have pepperoni, beef, sausage. Okay, so we know that the pepperonis are worth 0 to Dan, so that's 0. The beef are worth regular x. Regular x we said was 3.9. And then the sausages are worth 4x. So 4x, that means 4 times x. 4 times the 3.9. And what is 4 times 3.9? 15.6. So in Dan's eyes, the pepperonis are worth 0, the beef are worth 3.9, and the sausage are worth 15.6. These are Dan's. So we got Dan, Karen, Ryu. Part C. What value would Karen place on 2 pineapple, 1 beef, 1 sausage? If we gave Karen 2 pineapple, 1 beef, 1 sausage, how many dollars worth of pizza would that be in Karen's eyes? So we're talking about Karen. We're going to be using Karen's values. So 2 pineapple, so 2 times the value of pineapple for Karen is 6.5 plus 1 beef, so 1 times the value of beef for Karen is 9.75 plus 1 sausage. The value of sausage for Karen is 3.25. Okay, so 2 times the value of pineapples, 1 times the value of beef, 1 times the value of sausage. 2 pineapple, 1 beef, 1 sausage. So altogether, on a calculator, 2 times 6.25, or 2 times 6.5, 2 times 6.5, plus 1 times 9.75, plus 1 times 3.25. And that is 26 total. So if we gave Karen 2 pineapple, 1 beef, 1 sausage, in her eyes, she got $26 worth of pizza. Now the question is, would she accept this as a fair share? So go back. What is the fair share? Fair share is 26. So if she receives, so she thinks that she deserves $26 worth of pizza. So as long as she gets $26 or more worth of pizza, she would accept it. And she did. She got $26 or more. So as long as she gets $26 or more, she would accept that as a fair share. So this would be a yes. All right, that's it. If there's anything that's unclear, feel free to shoot me a message and I'll try to explain it in a different way. Take care.